probably see it. I see I can hold out this way.
Oh, they're sitting there, bro. No, finish, Jim. Jim. No, it's not that good. You want to see my Jim? No.
I can wheelie this. Ooh. Hold up. What's up? It's like a Suron, bro. These trees down here be making me go duck, duck. Like I have to literally squat on my damn knees. Stuff is literally falling off, dude. I fell off in Fortnite too. Oh, I need to shut the frick up. Kept you so cold that it was dangerous. I'm gonna make an intro with that music, bro. Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. My zone. It's got fresh battery in it. Hold up. Oh! It came all the way off. No way! That's crazy. My rear fender fell all the way off, meaning I have to cut the wire to the rear brake light, which sucks because I don't have the screws. I don't have the nuts. I literally don't. I don't have the nuts to do it. I don't have the nut, like the bolts, like that kind of nuts. I don't have that kind of. I don't have either kind of nuts to do it, bro. Not to mention, no, I'm kidding, bro. I removed the brake sensors on both of these brakes individually on different times. So there's no way I'm scared to just put those nuts back in. Oh, that sounded weird. Anyway, like I'm trying to say, my fender fell off and now I have to cut the rear brake wire. Or just, like, I don't know what to do. Like, I have to cut the brake wire, meaning I have to open the damn scooter up. I have to F around with the controls, and then skateboard. Sorry. You're fine. The reason my drifts aren't crazy like that is because I'm too scared to do the drift. It's not that my scooter can't do it, it's that I can't do it. Relatable? And probably not. Anyway, peace out, y'all.